Good morning, Busy Bees. Today we are going to be trying a new experiment. We are going to be turning milk into plastic. For our experiment, you're going to need some paper towels, a strainer, a bowl and a fork, milk, vinegar, and if you have one, some sort of cookie cutter shape. So you're going to pour 1 cup of milk into a measuring cup, and we're going to put it in the microwave for 1.5 minutes. Next, we're going to add 4 tablespoons of vinegar to our milk. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to stir it. And you're just going to keep stirring it for a while. It should start to clump a little bit. All right, when we're done stirring it, you'll stir it for about a minute, and then you're going to strain it. You're going to pour it through the strainer. And let all the juice, all the excess milk drip through. So the little pieces, the clumps that are left in the strainer, you want to push on and try and get all that liquid out. Really push on them. All right, so after you push all the excess water out, you want to take it and dump it onto a paper towel. Try and get all of the clumps out. And then push it onto the paper towel to get even more liquid out. You want to get it as dry as you can. So after you squeeze all the water out, or all the milk out onto your paper towel, you're going to take it off. This is what it should look like. It's an interesting consistency, isn't it? And then if you have a cookie cutter, if you don't have a cookie cutter, you can just shape it into whatever shape you want. We're going to try putting it into this heart cookie cutter and pressing it down into the shape of the heart. Just get it pressed down really good. And then at this point, you can either leave it white and let it dry that way, or if you want to add some color to it, you could take food coloring. I've got red here since I did a heart, and just kind of sprinkle it over the top. You can cover the whole thing or just part of it. You can even rub it around with your finger a little bit if you want, like that, just to kind of smear it out a little. And then after you do that, you're just going to let it set for a couple days till it dries and hardens. We'll check it in a couple days and see how it looks. It's been 2 days. Let's go ahead and check and see what happened. Oh, it came right out. It shrunk a little bit. And look, it worked. It was milk, and now it's a harder material. You could probably even punch a hole in it, have mom or dad punch a hole in it for you and hang it up in a window, or find somewhere in the house to hang it up. If you try it, post a picture and let us see how yours turns out.